Carol, Orland Park is one of your specialty areas, correct?
It is.
And people would move to Orland Park because why?
Because all of the great amenities. We have lots of shopping, great school districts and park districts, and there are just a lot of activities, and the livability here is just great.
I'm guessing that there's a lot of real estate being sold here.
Oh, there certainly is. The average home ranges between $200,000 and $1 million. It's just a great place to live. Sales are great here. We at Keller Williams are outpacing the market in closed sales by 34% currently.
Wow.
All right, Red Day is the one day of the year that all the Keller Williams offices in the United States and Canada, we contribute one full day to give back to the community. Every office has the discretion of what organizations they want to donate to, and this year we're doing Autism Speaks. We did Autism Speaks last year. We raised over $10,000, and this year that's our goal, to exceed the $10,000 goal. Yeah.
So people that want to maybe look to buy a home or sell a home, they should come to meet you here at Keller Williams?
They should come meet me here at Keller Williams on LaGrange Road. Yes.
Okay. All right, well, thanks so much.
All right, thank you.